ke nna Eva Mapela, ke moipedi wa go tswa ga Masemola, mara ke bue Sepedi. Ka mama ke Motswana. Ke belegilwe mo Johannesburg, ka godisetswa mo. Ke tsena sekolo ko University of South Africa, ke nna Soweto le batsadi ba me, mara ke nna le Pitori ka baka la sekolo. Ga ke itse Sepedi, ke ithuta sona ka papa le ko gae he ke na le lelapa la ka. Ke tlile mo go ithuta ka ditso tsa batho ba bangwe le gore ga ke etetse batho ba ditso tse dingwe ke kgone go ba tlhaloganya, ke kgone go phela jaaka bona. Le ka ntshwarela ke mixa di-language. My name is Eva Mapela, a student at University of South Africa. I live with my parents in Soweto, but also living in Pretoria because of school. I'm Pedi, but I don't speak Sepedi because my mom is Tswana and my dad is a Pedi. I was born and raised in Johannesburg, and I'm currently trying to learn my language, which is Sepedi, by being surrounded by family and friends that speak the language. I'm here to learn about cultural diversity so that in future when I visit people of different culture, I am able to blend in and not feel left out. Thank you.